Hi viewers, welcome to DJ Fashions. The most awaited sewing kit giveaway contest is now here. To participate in this contest, there are two rules to be followed. First, subscribe to my channel if not yet done. Second, post and comment in this video below. Please note that multiple comments are not allowed. That's it. Then 5 lucky winners will be chosen randomly and winners will be announced in 18th of this month. That is October. Then describing about this kit includes: first item will be an inch tape. Next item will be a rolling marker for creating impressions. Next item will be a thread cutter. Next item will be a thread remover. Next item will be a mini storage box. Next will be a hooks packet. Next will be a 4 pieces of bobbins, 2 for big head and 2 for small head. Next will be a needles. Next will be a mini marking steel ruler. Next will be a 40 pieces of pins for attaching fabrics temporarily. Finally, fabric markers containing 10 pieces. Then everything will be packed in this corrugated box and this will be sent to those 5 lucky winners.